My name is Jim Feist with Atlas Construction of Wisconsin, and we build new homes and renovation projects. I didn't feel like I could afford to take any time away from my business to go to learn about these things that I was already interested about. As we got closer, the fear of what I was going to be missing out and what I couldn't put into my business for that time that I was going to be gone, it really worried me. I was fearful. I wasn't sure what to expect. Once we started the workshop and started hearing margin versus markup and gross profit and how those things were different and how they could really offer just a great opportunity for our business and income generation, it blew my mind. I honestly didn't think that the time would be a good investment to take away from the day missing work. But what I found was that it really, it could be worth it tenfold after getting the information that we did. We had given numbers for Aspire to look at, and when we got the feedback on the numbers of where we were versus where we thought we were, I knew that this is something that is very important that everybody should pay attention to, and most people don't know, and it could benefit you greatly. I think it was very valuable to go to a workshop that was contractor specific